A disturbing incident rocked Vishnupur Chowk under Dhamnagar police limits in Odisha's Bhadrak district, when an 8-year-old girl died after a protection slab fell on her near an under-construction flyover on NH16 on Sunday. The minor, a local resident, was walking near the site when the slab, part of the ongoing highway repair work, unexpectedly gave way and collapsed on her. She died on the spot, sending shock waves through the community. As news of the tragedy spread, enraged villagers gathered at the site, blaming negligence in the construction process. The crowd blocked the national highway in protest, demanding accountability and adequate compensation to the deceased next of kin. In the chaos, a JCB machine being used for the NH repair work was set on fire. Vehicular movement on both sides of NH16 came to a complete standstill for several hours. Police reached the spot and recovered the body for the post-mortem, trying to pacify the angry mob. Tensions remained high as locals insisted that the administration take immediate action against those responsible and ensure proper safety measures at ongoing construction sites. The road blockade was underway till the time when this report was filed.
45 मिनट तले हठात मु एक फोन पाइली जे मोर होची हम पंचायत रो बेंतालिया वार्ड रो मो पंचायत रो बेंतालिया वार्ड जो अछि बेंतालिया वार्ड रे भजोरी बळिक जे मो सांग तार सानो जियो ट्यूशन सारी के घर फेरला बेले जो बर्तमान जो विष्णुपुर पाखरे जो पोल तैयारी होची एमएसएल द्वारा से कार्यरत समय तांकर जो बाउंड्री सेटअप होची से बाउंड्रीटा ता ऊपर खस पइला प्लेटटा खस पइला पर से चापी रहिला ताकू जण स्थानीय लोक देखि मो पंचायत रो से जाके तांको डाकिला बेले एठी जो सिक्यूरिटी थिले मेसिन ऑपरेटर थिले तांको साइट मैनेजर थिले सेमाने सब दौड़ी की पळेले कहले एठी के जियो पियो नांती एठी कार किछि हेइनी हठात देखिला बेले जियोटी तळे चापी रहिछि एवं आमे देखिला बेले जियो भी मरि जाइछि।